Grunau Company is an Oak Creek, Wisconsin-based mechanical contractor providing design and installation services for a wide variety of systems. In addition to its primary location near Milwaukee, Grunau maintains fire protection offices in Kenosha, Wisconsin, Indianapolis, Indiana, Youngstown, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Orlando, Florida. Grunau Company strives to build positive, long-lasting relationships. These unique relationships allow us to gain insight and knowledge about our customers, their businesses, and their objectives. As a result, our customers are comfortable working with us and expect and receive excellent outcomes.
It started off in 1920 as a small plumbing shop that my great-grandfather started.
Operating out of a small storefront location at 1307 South Kinnickinnick Avenue, Grunau expanded the business 3 years later by adding heating system installation to his capabilities. By the end of the 1920s, he grew the business further by including fire protection services. Like most companies, Grunau benefited from the post-World War II economic boom that resulted in a great deal of construction projects requiring plumbing, heating, and fire protection services.
And then my grandfather led the business for quite some time, and my dad led the business for a period of time, and it just steadily grew.
In 1960, Grunau added sheet metal services to its capabilities and expanded geographically to Indianapolis, the first time it ventured outside of Wisconsin.
Philip Morris bought the Miller Brewing Company in 1969. We went around the country with Gilbane and worked on all those breweries. The company grew really fast.
The work peaked in 1978, however, and the boom time ended, and, coupled with the effects of an economic recession, Grunau experienced a decline in sales and reduced its workforce accordingly.
I think a really significant period of time in the history of the company was the late 70s and early 80s. And the company was still struggling, still kind of had the hangover from all the Miller work. There are some wonderful people that are really working hard to make this company successful. And the other thing was, there could be an opportunity for me, if I am capable, to really make a difference.
His son Paul got into the business and really took the ball and ran with it. And at some point in the mid-90s, Paul bought the company from his 2 aunts and his father. And yeah, I mean, those were the years that we just took off. Work was great, work was booming, projects were great. It was just a wonderful time.
To me, what Paul brought is just kind of a deeper understanding and a deeper connection with customers. And I say customers, but it could just as easily be architects and engineers, it could be our suppliers. Just a deeper relationship with the people you work with.
Having those good employees and doing some of these big jobs and then building the relationships. Like, we have a lot of good, long-standing relationships with some of our bigger customers that are still going today.
From the shops to accounting to service, fire protection, he was involved with everything. And he cared, sincerely cared about everything he did.
As Grunau applied lean construction methods, the economy began to rebound and the company's markets improved on a case-by-case basis. By 2006, Paul concluded that the time had come for the company to join forces with a larger partner in order to maintain its growth. That spring, he agreed to sell the business to St. Paul, Minnesota-based API Group.
But the reality is, it was pretty cool that API, in general, they buy good businesses because they're good, not because they want to change them.
In 2015, Bill F. Ball was named president to lead Grunau Company into the future. The company continued to see growth as it worked on iconic downtown projects like the Northwestern Mutual Tower and Fiserv Forum. In 2020, Grunau celebrated its 100-year anniversary.
So I also think the future is rooted in the past in some ways. We can't ever forget that it's about the human connection. That is a bedrock, I think, that if we can continue to be good at that and make sure that no matter however things are built and whatever technology we use and all that kind of stuff, we never forget to make sure we're doing that, then I think we're going to continue to be very successful.
Grunau Company is an amazing company. To think that we've been around for over a century is truly amazing. I'm thankful and proud of our history. I'm thankful for the Grunau family, for Paul J. Grunau, who started the company back in 1920 as a small plumbing and repair shop in downtown Milwaukee. I'm thankful for our retirees, for our past employees who built the business based on values and being customer focused. And I'm thankful for our customers who have trusted us and continue to trust us throughout the years with their critical building systems. And while I'm thankful for the past, I'm even more excited for our future. When I look at our young leaders, both in the office and in the field, I see that same determination built on values, same customer focus, pride and quality craftsmanship that our business was founded on. And I know that for Grunau Company, our best years are yet to come.